What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Butterfly Butter Whisk motor. Alright, here we are here. Here's the yellow and blue theme, which I like very much. Alright, so there's your Butterfly logo. Alright, and these are the Butter Whisk 2207 2500 kV, which looks to be a 16 by 19 motor layout. Alright, which we will check. We see some silver windings in there. It looks like, if I put them up close to my eyes, I want to say solid core wire? No, I think it might be multi-stranded. Yes, multi-stranded wire. So this is a silver coated, or silver plated multi-stranded wire with this yellow. I kind of like this design here with the matching prop nut. We got a hollow shaft in there with a nice screw down at the bottom. Open foot design. Now let's take a look at so we got let's see, our 16 by 19, usually 19, yeah, 16 by 19, which is more standard. The hype train went to the 16 by 16 mounting pattern. So there you go. That's just a difference. And if you could see, this is solid core, and that's stranded. It's thinner. You can see it's thinner. All right, we just have the standard green, stators. So that's just a comparison to a hype train. All right, I like them. They're kind of cool looking. You see, this is 2306 and this is 2207. So let's go. Overall motor bell width is 27 millimeters. Top of where the prop sits to the feet, 19 millimeters. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Let's get a weight. The wires were shortened a little, but still most of the wire. Hey-oh, prop nut on the loose. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm coming. I found it. All right, let's get a weight. 38.8 grams, so definitely not a super light motor. Let's test it with the hype train. 29 grams. So this is 2306, and this is a 2207. You can definitely feel the weight difference, right? 38.8 grams, that's a... So there you go. Definitely a weight difference there. You can feel it. But this is also 2500 kV with a taller stator, and that's only 2450 kV. All right, let's go over to the install. We'll go over to the install, and we'll go from there. All right, here we are. Now, I already got 3 of them wired up, so we're gonna go ahead and do this last one. We got 2.5 inch or 2.5 millimeter socket head screws through the quad skids. Now these skids support 16 by 16 and 16 by 19, so that's cool. And we're gonna give them always, of course, a little bit of Loctite. I like this pasty Loctite, only because it doesn't like drip around everywhere. Alright, come on baby, grab one there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. Now always, you don't want to tighten down all your screws until you get them all seated in, started. All right, one more, and then we'll crank them down and get the soldering done, and then we'll give them a little check. Now, as always, I'm going to hold my opinion until I get some good flying in on these. The hype trains, when I did those, we had some blowouts. I had one of them die on me right away, but ultimately I ended up really liking those motors, and I ran 2 sets of them. I've been running 2 sets of them since they came out. So I still got V1s. The ones I took over here are all V1s. I had replaced a few bells over the years. All right, so they're all tight. 4 screws, Loctite screws, all done with that. Now I like to leave a little bit of length on my wires. So I usually just cut them kind of on top of the ESC just a little bit. For them, strip these out. Now this is also the quad that has the Helio spring. It's the last one that I did. All right, we will prep these guys. Always pre-tin everything. All right, now we're gonna take my new ceramic angled tweezers, give them a little bend, and solder those babies right on. Now these ESCs, I've had these are probably my longest running ESCs. I've had them on, I had them on a Catalyst Machine Works Super Light, or yeah, Super Light or whatever that's called, first. Then I moved them over to here. They're just fantastic ESCs. All right, now we're gonna turn everything in. All right, now the next step you're going to do when you're doing a motor change is you're going to want to verify rotation. Now, to fix rotation, you can do one of 2 things. Because I'm in the middle of working on them and stuff, it'd just be easier just to swap the wires, but you could always do it through software, through the BioHeli software, depending on what ESCs you're using. These are BioHeli S, so I use the BioHeli S. Let's check these guys. That's wrong, that's wrong, that's right, that's wrong.
Engine
All right,
off.
so we got to change 1, 2, and 4.
Telemetry lost.
Now, like I said, because we're already working on them, it's nice and easy just to swap 2 of the wires. And we have access. But you always want to check your rotation and make sure it's correct for the selection that you have. If you're running them reverse or you're running them regular, doesn't matter. And try not to flick your wires when you're desoldering, because you can flick solder very easy. All right. 1, 2, and 4. Now, this is true with pretty much every brushless motor system. 3 wires determine the rotation, reverse, forward. Some brushless motors run in reverse. That's why we get, all right. So, there we go.
Telemetry recovered. Engine on.
All right, so we got outward, outward, out, out. All right, so now we are spinning. Give them a little power just to... All right.
Engine off.
They sound nice and smooth, I'll tell you that.
Telemetry lost.
All right, so there you go. I just have to cover up my ESCs and do the finalization on this, but you get the point. So, this is just the, like I said, first look and install of the Butter Whisk motors, 2207, 2500 kV. Stay tuned for the final review. We'll get some GoPro footage and all that other good stuff. There is some footage of this quad flying with these motors, but we're done with these guys. These lived their life very well, did very well for me, but we're gonna try something different. So there you go. Now, if you've made it this far into the video and you've made it to the end, lucky you, because guess what? We have a giveaway. I made a few t-shirts with my logo, and I'm gonna give away a t-shirt. Now, how you win the t-shirt, you might be asking. You need to like, comment, subscribe, all the same good normal stuff. like, comment, subscribe to this video. I will put it through a random, comment generator there. We'll pick a winner, and I will announce that in a week or so. So you have until next Friday, which is June. Let me see. Next Friday, which is June 1st. June 1st. I know it's June 1st. Friday will be June 1st. I tell you what. Let's let it run a little longer. Let's let it run a little longer, because I don't get a whole lot of traffic. So let's say June 8th. The contest will be over June 8th, and I will pick a winner June 9th. Saturday, June 9th. So you have until June 8th, Eastern, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm over on the East Coast, and then we'll pick the winner on Saturday. So there you go. So there's the shirt. It's it's got my logo on it. See, we'll back out the camera so you can see the whole thing. These are on the premium cotton t-shirts. So there you go. There's my little logo, little drone. That's the back, and then on the front it just says CRFPV. All right. Like I said, these are the premium tees, man. These are the same type of tees that are coming with the quad boxes and all, next level. And we're giving away, I got a 2X and an XL. So with your comment, please leave the size XL or 2XL. All right, this is an XL or 2XL, and I have an XL. So like, comment, subscribe. You have till June 8th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Leave a comment on what your size 2XL or XL, and I will send you off a CRFPV t-shirt, the inaugural, the first, the only. There's only 5 of them in existence. A couple of my friends have them, and now one of you is going to have them. So there you go. That's all I've got. Stay tuned for all the other crazy stuff I have coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.